The next time you travel or attend an event, you might be asked to show proof of COVID testing or that you've been vaccinated. NBC10 Responds explains how vaccine passports work and where you may be asked to provide one. New York is the first state to launch a so-called vaccine passport. This app allows you to upload your COVID vaccine and testing history. Venues such as Madison Square Garden will scan it to see if you've tested negative or have been vaccinated.
Some of the apps, like New York's is a great example, is actually going to look to the state to then confirm your vaccination status.
Data privacy expert Jordan Fisher says we can expect to see more apps like this in the coming weeks and months.
The challenges with an app is really going to come down to how are they architecting it to ensure that your data is going to be held in a secure manner, that only the people who need to have access to it are going to get access to it.
White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki says vaccine passports are something the administration is exploring.
It's currently going through an interagency process.
The White House says it's looking at vaccine credentials that are both digital and on paper.
There will be no centralized universal federal vaccinations database and no federal mandate requiring everyone to obtain a single vaccination credential.
This week, airline industry group Airlines for America sent this letter to the White House urging them to, quote, quickly develop uniform, targeted federal guidance for temporary COVID-19 health credentials covering both tests and vaccinations. It goes on to say we firmly believe that COVID-19 vaccines should not be a requirement for domestic or international travel. If you're looking to take a cruise, CDC guidelines prohibit cruises to and from the U.S. until November. But starting this summer, Americans can board ships in the Bahamas, St. Martin, and Bermuda. According to Royal Caribbean and Celebrity Cruises, only vaccinated adults and those under the age of 18 with negative test results will be allowed on board. It's not clear if guests will be asked to show their vaccine card or use an app. Data security experts say be mindful of what you are downloading to your phone. They do expect to see fraudulent apps created with the intent of mining your personal information. If you have a consumer problem, give us a call at NBC10 Responds. The number's right there, or you can fill out a complaint form at NBC10.com/responds.